Hello, Whittemore community. I hope everyone is doing well. All right, today, how about we play? This is Jeopar-Bee. Okay, today is going to be a third grade edition. Now, don't worry if you're not in third grade. I think anyone can play along and have some fun. Okay, so let's take a look at our categories for today. Our first category is Plymouth Plantation. Our second category is Matilda. Those will be questions about the book Matilda. Our third category is two-digit addition. And our final category will be potpourri. Now, potpourri are questions that are kind of mixed up. They really can come from any area. All right, now before we get started, if you want to keep track of your point values, you might want to get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil so you can keep track at home. Remember, the point values are on the board, and for each question, they get harder as we go along, and the point values increase as we go along as well. Okay. Another strategy you might want to use as we play is if you think or if you need more think time, you can always just pause the video to give yourself more think time, and then when you think you know the answer, unpause and then find out what the answer is. Okay? All right, so why don't we start with Plymouth Plantation, questions about Plymouth Plantation, and we'll start with our 100-point question. Okay. So, for 100 points, this is the name of the ship the Pilgrims sailed on to the New World. Okay. Again, this is the name of the ship the Pilgrims sailed on to the New World. Is it the Mayflower, Rose, or SS Minnow? Okay. And if you said Mayflower, you are correct. Give yourself 100 points. Okay? All right, our 200-point question. Here we go. Which is true? The Pilgrims left England for religious freedom or to become famous celebrities. So which is true? The Pilgrims left England for religious freedom or become famous celebrities? And if you said religious freedom, you are correct. Give yourselves 200 points. All right, our 300-point question. Okay, let's see what it is. Massasoit was a sachem. The word sachem means this. Is it leader, rock star, or carnival clown? So again, Massasoit was a sachem. The word sachem means this. And if you said leader, you are correct. A sachem is a leader. All right, let's take a look at our 400-point question. Okay. The Wampanoag made a machine or boat by using fire as a tool to hollow out this. Was it a tree, a rock, or a bird's nest? So again, the Wampanoag made a machine or boat by using fire as a tool to hollow out this. And if you said a tree, you are correct. Give yourselves 400 points. All right, our 500-point question in Plymouth Plantation. Here we go. So, this is the name of the house the Wampanoag lived in during the growing season. Was it a weetu, a longhouse, or a mansion? What was the name of the house the Wampanoag lived in during the growing season? And if you said weetu, you are correct. Give yourselves 500 points. All right, great job. Let's continue. Let's go over to the next category, Matilda. All right, Matilda for 100. Again, these will be questions about the book Matilda. So, for 100 points, what does Lavender put in the Trunchbull's water jug? Was it a newt, a spider, or a jelly bean? What does Lavender put in the Trunchbull's water jug? If you said a newt, you are correct. Give yourselves 100 points. All right, let's look at our 200-point question. The Trunchbull puts children in a cupboard to punish them. What is it called? Is it the chokey, the jail box, or the dog crate? What did the Trunchbull put children into to punish them? What was it called? And if you guessed the chokey, you are correct. Give yourselves 200 points. All right, our 300-point question. Here we go. Where does Matilda's mysterious power shoot from? Is it her nose, her eyes, or her mouth? For 300 points, where does Matilda's mysterious power shoot from? If you said her eyes, you are correct. Give yourselves 300 points. Okay, our 400-point question. Are you ready? Here we go. Every day, Mr. Wormwood put something on his hair. What was it? Was it hair tonic, shampoo, shaving cream? Every day, Mr. Wormwood put something on his hair. What was it? If you said hair tonic, you are correct. Give yourselves 400 points. All right, our 500-point question in Matilda. Here we go. Where does the Wormwood family, minus Matilda, move at the end of the story? So where does the Wormwood family, minus Matilda, move at the end of the story? Do they go to Spain, Italy, or France? Where did they go? All right. If you said Spain, you are correct. They moved to Spain. All right, great job. All right, let's take a look. Oops, Jeopardy board fell down. All right, let's take a look at two-digit addition. Now, if you want to get yourself some scrap paper to do the computation, go ahead and do that. Again, you can pause the video, go get yourself a piece of scrap paper to do the computation. Some of these you might be able to do using mental math and some strategies of mental math. So you decide what you want to do. Okay? All right, so let's get started on our 100-point question. All right, in two-digit addition. So, what is 10 plus 10? Is it 100, 20, or 2? If you said it is 20, you are correct. Give yourselves 100 points. All right, our 200-point question. 30 plus 18. Is it 38, 318, or 48? And if you said it was 48, give yourselves 200 points. So the answer was 48. All right, let's look at our 300-point question. Okay, here we go. What is 51 plus 24? 51 plus 24. You might want to use some break apart strategies. Add your 10s, add your 1s, put them together. All right. If you said it was 75, you are correct. 51 plus 24 is 75. Give yourself 300 points. All right, our 400-point question, two-digit addition. Here we go. What is 73 plus 26? 73 plus 26. Think about your 10s, think about your 1s, maybe breaking them apart, put them together, and if you got 99, you are correct. 73 plus 26 is 99. All right, our 500-point question in two-digit addition. Here we go. What is 36 plus 49? 36 plus 49. So a little bit more challenging. It's 500 points. Again, think about your break apart strategies. You may have to do some carrying. All right. If you said it is 85, you are correct. Give yourselves 500 points. Great job. All right. Our last category, potpourri. So these questions can come from anywhere. It's a mixed up questions. All right. So for our 100-point question, here we go. What is the sun? A star, a moon, a planet, a sun. So what is the sun? A star, a moon, a planet, a sun. If you said it was, or it is a star, you are correct. Give yourselves 100 points. All right, our 200-point question in potpourri. If you mix blue and yellow, what color do you make? Is it orange, red, green, brown? What color does blue and yellow make when you mix it? If you said green, you are correct. Blue and yellow make green. Give yourselves 200 points. All right, our 300-point question. Here we go. How many continents are there? Is it 3, 7, 9, 218? How many continents are there? If you said there are 7, you are correct. Give yourself 300 points. All right, our 400-point question. Are you ready? Here we go. What is lava? Is it molten rock, slime, dirty ocean water, or a caterpillar before it turns into a butterfly? What is lava? Is it molten rock, slime, dirty ocean water, a caterpillar before it turns into a butterfly? All right, if you said it is molten rock, you are correct. Give yourselves 400 points. All right, our last question before we get to the final Jeopardy question. All right, for 500 points, what kind of animal is a frog? Is it a reptile, a marsupial, a mammal, or an amphibian? What kind of animal is a frog? Is it a reptile, marsupial, mammal, or amphibian? If you said it was, or it is a amphibian, you are correct. Give yourselves 500 points. All right, so if you want to add up your points right now, go ahead, you can pause the video, add up your total number of points. Our final Jeopardy category today is going to be Matilda. So it'll be another question about the book Matilda. So if you want to decide, you want to wager some of your points, do you want to do a daily double and wager all of your points to see if you can double your point value, to spend a minute or so figuring out what you want to wager for your points, okay? All right. Once you have done that, all right, let's look at our final Jeopardy question. Again, it is about the book Matilda. All right, so here we go. Final Jeopardy question. It is, what was the first grown-up book that Matilda read? Was it Great Expectations, Pride and Prejudice, War and Peace? And for our think time, let's do the Jeopardy music. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right. So, what was the first grown-up book that Matilda read? Was it Great Expectations, Pride and Prejudice, War and Peace? If you said it was Great Expectations, you are correct. All right. Great job, everyone. Well, I hope you had fun today playing This is Jeopardy! 3rd grade edition. Again, I hope everyone is doing well. Be happy and healthy, and thank you for watching. Bye.